Liverpool FC to replace crest with Liverbird on digital platforms. Symbol used on uniforms gains more space and will also replace shield in digital media this season. A much talked about topic among football shirt fanatics is the fact that Liverpool FC has not used its full crest on its uniforms since 2011, and by all indications, the Reds are unlikely to bring back this identity anytime soon, especially since they have just announced a new development that goes against this idea. In an official statement, the team stated that the Liverbird, a bird that has been used as a shield for 12 seasons, will also be used on all digital platforms from the 2024-2025 season onwards, replacing the full shield that is still seen on the website, application and social networks, for example. And it doesn't stop there. In television broadcasts from broadcasters that hold the rights to broadcast the Premier League, the Liverbird will also be used in place of the shield. The justification lies in the fact that the club has identified that more than 86% of visitors to the official website and 98% of followers on official channels on social media come from mobile devices. Therefore, it is necessary to make the brand increasingly clearer and readable in increasingly smaller spaces. The Liverbird has been used as a crest on the club's shirts since the 2011-12 season, when Warrior replaced Adidas on the kits, but the first time the symbol was used on a kit was in the 1950 FA Cup final, and has been used in different ways since. The official Liverpool crest will remain the official emblem and an integral part of the visual identity, but will now only be seen in non-digital areas, including at Anfield, the training centre, offices and headquarters. Liverbird should begin to be introduced on digital and TV platforms as soon as the club begins preparations for the 2024-2025 Premier League season. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.